how to find real photos of the Earth. You go to the NASA website, then here is where you can find real photos of the Earth from space. This is a very interesting simulator. As you see, it shows the tracks of satellites and this stuff. You can see this simulator is based on like real satellite data. Now, but this is not what we want. We want photos. So we click here again and we go to the missions section. The missions, search all NASA missions A to Z. Let's come here. And here we can find the missions. So let's choose the last one, which is Artemis 2 maybe. Yeah, I guess Artemis 2. And here we should find photos. Like, oh, this is harder than I thought. Hey Gemini, how the heck can I find real photos of the Earth from the NASA website? Because it's like, so hard. You idiot. I said NS, like NASA, bro.
Ah, my bad. Nestle and NASA definitely sit on opposite ends of the universe. One deals with Milky Ways, and the other actually goes to the Milky Way. Since you're looking for the real deal directly from the NASA source, here is how you can navigate their massive archives to find exactly what you need. Where to find high-res NASA Earth imagery. 1. The Epic Gallery, the live Earth. If you want a photo of what the Earth looks like today, this is the place. The Deep Space Climate Observatory, DSCOVR, is parked 1.5 million kilometers away, looking back at us. What you get: full disk images of the Earth taken every few hours. You can even see the Earth rotating over the course of a day. Source: NASA Epic Gallery 2.
Okay. Slideshow control. Okay, these are images of the Earth. These are real images. Very great. Here is my favorite country, Egypt. I live here at this point. If I can draw a circle here. What a great photo. Galleries. Volcanoes. Eclipses. moon. This photo was taken on April 2nd. We are in May, yeah. Oh, here are photos of the recent eclipse on April 8th. Let's watch the video. Very interesting. It's not a video though, it's a collection of photos, but they are real photos, by the way. I'm gonna download this. It deserves downloading. 6 minutes is crazy. Hey Gemini, is it legal to just, make a recording video of my screen discovering the NASA website, or is it copyrighted?
Yes, it is legal. Most content on NASA's website is in the public domain, meaning you can record and share it without explicit permission. Here are the simple rules to follow. Acknowledge NASA. Always credit NASA as the source of the material. Don't imply endorsement. You cannot use the footage to make it look like NASA is sponsoring or endorsing your video or channel. Avoid the logo. Do not use the NASA meatball logo or seal as your own branding, like in a profile picture or separate graphic, as its use is highly restricted by law. Watch for third-party content. Occasionally, NASA...
Okay, if I just, mention in the video that this is clearly me discovering the NASA website, I'm not an official partner or part of NASA or something like this, I don't claim this. And I also put...
That is exactly the right way to handle it. Adding a verbal or written disclaimer that you are not affiliated with or endorsed by NASA covers your bases perfectly. Since their content is mostly public domain, you are free to record as long as you don't use their logo as your own or claim to...
I don't use their logo, but their logo might appear on their website while I'm...
That is perfectly fine. Having the logo appear on the screen as part of the actual website layout you are browsing is a normal part of a discovery or reaction video and does not violate their rules. NASA's main concern is misrepresentation. As long as the logo is just there because you are looking at their page, and not because you've placed it in your video as a custom overlay or branding element, you are not violating their policy. Why this is okay? Contextual use. The logo is part of the informational content you are discussing. Public domain status. Most of what you are showing is federal government work, which is legally designated for public use in education. Fair use. Your discovery format acts as a commentary or educational review of the site. Sources. NASA regulations. 14 CF.
Okay, have a good day, guys.